What is up, you guys? It's your boy Teddy, and welcome back to another reaction on the React with Teddy channel, man. And today we're gonna be reacting to Cenat tries to ride a dirt bike in his room. Now, if you guys don't know who Cenat is, you must be living under a rock, man. The #1 streamer in the world, #1 black streamer in the world. And yeah, man, this dude is pretty entertaining. I've watched his whole subathon stream and everything, bro. This guy is just an inspiration to whoever wants to stream. So yeah, which I've kind of wanted to, but YouTube is mostly my main goal, bro. So yeah, streaming, yeah, but YouTube, yes sir. But yeah, man, without further ado, before we get into it, man, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, leave me a suggestion on what should I react to next. I need suggestions, man. Leave me comment, give me suggestions on what you might like me to react. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, man. And without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go.
3 months later.
Okay.
Bro.
Hey, so
Let's go twin.
You gonna ride it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
You gonna crazy?
Yeah, hold it real quick. Hold it real quick. Chat, here we go.
Let's go crazy. You ready? All right. Let's see what you're working with. Let's see. That's one for you. See, all right, this your kicker. This your how you gonna start the bike, right? You feel me?
How you do it?
Right.
From right there?
Yeah.
So like my feet?
Yeah. Kick it. When you
Back?
kick it, hit the gas. When you
Back? How you hit the gas?
Kick it back. All right, this is the gas right here. Boom.
Okay.
It's in neutral, so it ain't gonna go nowhere. Now you gotta really kick that.
Yo, chill. Bro.
Wow, really? I wanna go over there, drift, and then go straight this way.
You gotta put that here.
Ain't no fucking way.
I wanna back it up though, just a little bit. A little TC bit.
I want you to tear the chat up.
Yeah.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way he can do that.
You might want to start this way, go that way, turn around.
Wait,
I don't want you to hurt yourself, bro.
I'm not, bro. I'm like a
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm making sure you straight, bro. yeah. You something.
Okay, so the hus is around. You know, is around and they see me in the summertime. You know what I'm saying? I dab my man's up, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel me?
And then. Oh,
Good though. Not like boom, but
wait.
like this.
You just have to blow this up.
Sure.
All right.
Hold the clutch.
Yeah.
You got gears now.
Okay.
I don't want you to pop it though, like,
Yeah.
don't do that. Woo. That's crazy. Boy. You nervous? That's like thunder.
Bro, he's scared. He's like, oh. Yo, fucking idiot, bro. Yo. Nah, run it back, bro. Run it back. He tried to go slowly, but he couldn't. Yo. GG's. Look at the chat. GG's. Oh my god. GG's. L.
Hey, back it up. Oh, what the? Oh, I'm feeling. Oh. Okay, wait. My monitors. Oh my fucking god. Yo, look at my monitor.
Bro.
Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Monitor's good. Everything good.
I said, what about this coat?
The coat, bro. This is the dirtiest carpet in the world, bro. Don't say shit. I'm gonna just act like I got a dirt bike. Let's go, man.
Bum. Bum.
Yo, chat, what the fuck is up, man? Yo, MGM was good. Tills, dummy. Tills.
Oh, you from the Baltimore, eh? Yeah. Outside.
Bro, my man yelling, bro.
Who that? Chris, that's you?
Yeah, bro, you got
Oh, Chris!
He got a dirt bike too? Yo!
You got some gas? You need gas?
Yeah.
Oh.
This might be me.
That's you?
That's your
Ain't no line.
Chat, this might be me. I'm not gonna lie.
SSR?
Chat, it might be me, chat.
Nah, not really.
What the f? I forgot you got this for Christmas, bro. How you do this shit? Wait, so you got no gas?
Today, I'm doing the
Damn.
degree grade.
Bro, what? Bro, you wanna try riding this one?
Can we take some?
Yeah, go ahead with it.
You got this. Bro, my whole setup got f***ed up.
No, Davis ran into mine.
Really?
He with this one.
Word?
Yeah, Davis.
Alright, park it over there. Put this one over there. But you gotta try this one, bro. Wait, but your leg. You think it's a safe idea?
Big
Sin
ass
City wasn't made for you.
on the bike. Oh my
You know
god.
it. You know it.
Bro,
That
stop.
feels so good, bro.
Yo, Chad.
Alright, you do it first, bro.
Chad.
Come on, bro.
It's just simple.
I keep f***ing up, bro.
It's simple.
He's a pro, so you can.
What?
Say, y'all see how you do it?
Your turn. Hell no. No, this shit big as Ow, bro.
Keep it on though. Don't turn it
Oh, yeah, I
off.
ain't gonna turn it off.
Don't turn it off.
Wait, so that don't let it go? Like, you just write it off that?
Yeah.
Let's do it right now. Put it on, 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 put it on.
Yo, David.
Oh.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, boy,
Yo, I tried to stop him, bro. I'm like,
Yeah.
you told me.
Nah.
Bro, I told him, bro. It's a dumb idea. I told him.
Damn. He's like the order.
Crib with a dirt bike, bro. Bro, I'm just saying, we tried to stop it and we couldn't.
Why did I get a text or somebody send me a clip of you running headfirst into your setup?
That's not true. That's not true. There's no evidence of that.
Bro, get out of here, bro. You're in my room, number one.
Bro.
I feel like the goal of you guys is to make sure we don't have breathable energy in the house.
What type of fit do you
Your mom
Yeah.
got this for me, bro.
First off, his fit is, yeah.
That's it, fine. That's it, fine.
Thank you.
My fault.
Just get on. Just get on. Just get on.
Just get on one time, bro.
One time, bro.
One time, Davis.
Don't break it though.
One time.
Bruh.
Group leader. Group leader. Group leader. Group leader. Group leader. Group leader.
Group leader. I'm asleep. I thought Adrian would be the group leader. Like, you know, the one that always puts in order or some shit.
Oh, put a clutch in. Then you gonna go down it first, right? Put it down. Don't let this go. We'll talk to you.
Oh
Why
my.
does it do that when
It's like it blue balls you. Like, it think you about to go on. And no, you can't.
The blue balls.
Military car. It's like, you know, first gear, second gear, whatever.
Nah, Josh, shit.
Do I know how to drop shit?
Calm down, calm down.
Stick?
Calm down.
God step in, bro.
Oh! Easy, easy.
What we talking about? Gas a little bit. Oh, break. That's a break.
Oh!
What's going on? Like popping the clutch. You gotta eat. I gotta eat.
Matter of fact, I got
Go right into it. Okay.
Yeah, you suck. You suck. I never rode a dirt bike before though. I would like to own one day, hopefully.
Turn me up, man. Turn me up, bro. Okay. Alright, ease off in the clutch a little bit.
So, ease hands off of it and do that shit,
A little bit, yeah. There you go.
It's a little bit technical. You gotta like.
That's sweet spot. It's simple.
You about to do it again.
Ow!
You got it. You got it. You got it. You did it the first time. You know. Come on, man.
Easy too.
Yeah.
I got you.
One more time. But you do it so fast.
Cause I've been doing this.
Been doing this shit for years, bro.
My mom. Neutral.
Bro, you right. Go ahead.
Give it up.
Go do it. Do it. Got it, bro. Let it loose a little bit. Go.
What's wrong with you, bro?
He did it the first time though. Now you just can't do it.
Oh my gosh, bro. This so hard, bro.
What's our condo, eh?
I got you, bro. He gonna set it up for me.
You finna hop on the back?
Yeah.
I'm in the back. Hop in the back.
Ready? Ready. All right, go. Wait, oh, you going like that? We're in first. Starting in first. Right.
Hop in the back.
Go.
Bro, he can't move forward. Go. No. Oh my God. Yo, my man almost died, bro. Nah, we gotta run that back. Real quick. Bro, it's the hesitation and then boom. Bro, crazy. My man almost lost his life. Bro. Yeah, no more. Alright, man. Well, there you guys have it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bro, this is crazy. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, leaving me suggestions on what should I react to next. And yeah, man, I'll catch y'all to the next one, man. Peace.